In this video, I want to show the wetsuit installed in the DJI Mini2. I have a custom wetsuit, but basically it's exactly the same one that you can buy. As you see here, with the wetsuit, have a minimal footprint, so you can easily close the drone. If you see here, no problem. Perfectly the arms, and I like it because the rubber, so the neoprene maintain the blades in place, and if you see here, you can easily close the drone perfectly, no issues. You see here, so it fit in your package, absolutely no problem. And again, you can open, absolutely no problem, no stress. Looks really good, making the drone easy to identify. From the ground if you crash or something like that. I'm protecting the drone from the weather. All right, I hope this video helps. Have a good one.